I think probably the newest, like 2025 Ultegra Di2,
Nice. DI2.
12 speed. Chain rings, 50, 34, 11 to 34 cassette in the back. Yeah, I find Shimano drivetrains very conducive to like how a normal person would like the gears are very just nicely spaced apart. And then to have a one-to-one gear at the smallest is really nice for climbing. The pedals, Sioma Duos. It turns out I didn't actually need the two-sided one because it shows you your left and right power data, and it always ends up being 52, 48, 40, 49, 51, something like that.